Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Bitaxe Gamma 601 only way. Begin by checking the head, handle, and safety latch, and confirm the axe is clean and free of rust. Next, test the balance with a gentle swing using your dominant hand while maintaining a firm grip. Practice controlled motions on a stump or designated striking block before attempting tougher cuts or pries to build confidence and accuracy. Adopt a stable stance to maximize control and safety while using the Bitaxe Gamma 601. Hold the handle with the dominant hand near the head and the other hand at the butt, then slide the lower hand down as you swing. Engage knees and hips to power the motion, keeping your back straight and eyes on the target. Practice short, controlled swings first, gradually increasing reach and force as you feel comfortable. Keep your Bitaxe Gamma 601 performing well by maintaining a sharp, consistent edge and secure head attachment. Use a file or whetstone at the original bevel angle, working both sides evenly and removing small burrs. Check the handle for cracks and ensure wedges are tight. Replace any compromised parts before use. Finish with light oil on metal surfaces and store the tool in a dry place to prevent rust and prolong lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.